Hello friends, I'm Meenu Jain. In this video, I will discuss about the why to use bioculture in wastewater treatment and importance of bioculture media in wastewater treatment. This video is sponsored by Superwell Technology, which provides ecological solution for pollution control and waste management problems. This video is also available in Hindi language and link of the Hindi language video is given in description below. This video contains first what is bioculture, why and how to use bioculture in wastewater treatment, and what are the favorable conditions to use bioculture in wastewater and available bioculture product in market. But firstly, I would request to subscribe my channel for more videos related to water and wastewater treatment. And if you like this video, please don't forget to press thumbs up button and bell icon for further video notification. First question is, what is bioculture? As human needs nutritious food for survival, similarly microorganisms need different kind of nutritious food for growth, called bioculture. Bioculture is also called as culture media, where culture means growth and media is an artificial surface or any artificial medium which consists water, energy source, carbon source, nitrogen source, mineral salt and different kind of other nutrients with all special growth factors in certain amount for enhance the growth of microorganism or biomass. But what is the importance of bioculture in wastewater? Why do we use bioculture in sewage and industrial wastewater? Purpose of using bioculture in wastewater is BOD, nitrogen and phosphorus ratio is very important for biological treatment in wastewater treatment. If any of these parameters is unbalanced in this ratio, then biological treatment is difficult for the microorganism. For maintaining this ratio, cow dung is dosed for increasing the BOD level, urea is dosed for nitrogen and DAP is dosed to increase phosphorus level in this ratio. And if we talk about the MLSS or mixed liquor suspended solid, due to lockdown, there are many plants are not run or maintained properly, consequently the MLSS level is decreased. Typically, it is said that in the situation when MLSS level decreases less than 25%, it is observed that very less or no biological treatment occur in aeration tank due to improper growth of microorganism. In this type of situation, additional bioculture is required for maintaining the population of microorganism in aeration tank for enhancing the efficiency of wastewater treatment plant. Bioculture is also used for controlling the growth of filamentous bacteria because excessive growth of filamentous bacteria leads the problem of forming in aeration tank. Therefore, there are lots of different bioculture available in market by which we can enhance the growth of microorganism that can eliminate the need of various ingredient or biochemical product for different nutrients to microbial growth. But bioculture should be such that can make beneficial microbe and fast acting enzyme as a part of process that can degrade sewage and effluent pollution like BOD, COD, ammonia and hydrogen sulfide or obnoxious gases. Therefore, the product of bioculture should be a unique solution for all these problems. Therefore, in this video, introducing a bioculture product named Super 24 of Superwell Eco Solution Company. Super 24 is an advanced bioculture material that is good product for high COD, high salinity and high TDS level and shock loading conditions. Initial dose of bioculture is called seeding dose, which is 5 times higher than the regular dose, which can enhance the growth of microorganisms for better treatment efficiency. In comparison of conventional techniques to maintain CNP ratio, bioculture also saves the time and work for wide temperature range. Bioculture also enhances the microbial degradation of hard to digest material like fat, oil, protein, starch, carbohydrate, uric acid, detergent, hydrocarbon, phenol, cotton, plastic, hair, tissue, filters, etc. That eventually improves the overall efficiency of wastewater treatment plant. As per provided product feedback, with the effect of this bioculture product, poor settling biomass settles properly and faster. It is also to be said that This product can be used for proper nutritional requirement of microorganism, for maintain proper FM ratio, and it also promotes the right sludge. Right sludge means not too young sludge or not too old sludge. This bioculture is also used in all type of sewage treatment, industrial water treatment, and can be used at specific places wherever microbial activity is required for biodegradation of wastewater treatment. For example, sewage treatment plant of hotels, residential, commercial building, soak pit, sump pit, drain lines, biotoilet, septic tanks, biodigester, effluent treatment plant of textile, paper, pharmaceutical, dairy and food industries. I would suggest kindly visit the company website and ask the concerned person for more detail. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press thumbs up button and bell icon for further notification of upcoming videos related to water and wastewater treatment. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video to everyone and write your suggestion in comment box below. If you like my channel, kindly support me on my Patreon page for sustainability of my channel. Please do like to my FB, Twitter, Instagram page. Link of all is given in description below. Thank you.